Welcome to our video on how to prevent your African Grey Parrot from escaping its cage. If you're worried about your feathered friend flying away, you've come to the right place. First, let's talk about cage setup. Ensure your parrot's cage is secure and has no gaps or weak points where they could squeeze through. Next, training techniques are essential. Teach your parrot to associate their cage with safety and comfort. Use positive reinforcement to encourage them to stay inside. Lastly, provide environmental enrichment. A stimulating environment with toys and activities can keep your parrot engaged and less likely to seek an escape. Thanks for watching. Remember, a secure cage, proper training, and a fun environment can help keep your African Grey safe. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on caring for your feathered friends.